There are certain foods that have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Here are 15 of them. Processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, sausages, and other processed meats are high in saturated fat, sodium, and preservatives, all of which can increase the risk of heart disease. Consuming large amounts of red meat may increase the risk of heart disease. Red meat, a healthy diet and lifestyle can help reduce the risk. It's best to focus on consuming a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods like energy drinks, vegetables, and sports drinks are high in added sugars, and can increase the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Fried foods such as fried chicken, French fries, and donuts are high in unhealthy fats and calories, which can contribute to heart disease. Foods high in trans fats. Trans fats, which are often found in processed foods and baked goods, can increase levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol and decrease levels of HDL, good, cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease. High-fat dairy products. Foods like whole milk, cheese, and butter are high in saturated fat, which can increase levels of LDL cholesterol. Salty foods. Consuming too much salt can increase blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Refined grains. Refined grains like white bread, pasta, and rice have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients, which can increase blood sugar levels and contribute to heart disease. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can increase blood pressure, contribute to obesity, and increase the risk of heart disease. Sweets and desserts. Sweets and desserts are often high in added sugars and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. High sugar breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals are high in added sugars, which can contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Canned and processed foods. Canned and processed foods are often high in sodium and preservatives, which can increase blood pressure and contribute to heart disease. Margarine is often high in trans fats, which can increase levels of LDL cholesterol and decrease levels of HDL cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease. Fast food is often high in unhealthy fats, calories, and sodium, all of which can increase the risk of heart disease. Energy bars and granola bars. Many energy and granola bars are high in added sugars and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease.